We are here at our next latest and greatest property. Today, we're gonna say yes to charm, but make it modern. Budget-friendly ways to update your old home.
Today, Kyle will share some budget-friendly improvements to give a modern look to your home without breaking the bank.
This charming Edwardian-style 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is 1,622 square feet. It offers amazing natural light in each room you step into, an exclusive-use private backyard, washer-dryer in-unit, wood-burning fireplace, a floor plan that offers seamless transition from each room to the next, and many of the original details in beautiful condition.
This property is located in Dubois Triangle, which is one of the most sought-after areas in San Francisco. You're steps away from the Castro, from dog parks, weekly farmers markets, restaurants. I mean, everything that you could possibly want is right here at your fingertips. Today, we decided last minute that we wanted to demo out the bathroom in our primary suite at this property. So, what we did is we ripped out the shower, we ripped out all of the tile work that's around the tub, and we're getting ready to install a gorgeous walk-in shower. New floors, the whole 9 yards. Take a look at our tile here. Clean, simple, crisp, white 12 by 24 porcelain tile. Going to completely update the space.
The style we are looking to achieve in this home is a crisp, modern transitional. We want to make sure that we are giving a nod to the architecture and character of the home, but also adding our clean, modern lines to make it truly feel like the best of both worlds.
One of the tricks of the trade that I want to talk about, and maybe is probably the worst kept secret or best kept secret in design, is the power of paint. If you have a room that, let's say, needs a little bit of pizzazz, maybe the walls are slightly imperfected, maybe it's been through it. Well, one of the easiest ways and most dramatic ways to change that room is the power of paint. Go bold, because that bold color is gonna wow everyone, and it's gonna not show all the imperfections, and that's the power of paint. Like in the kitchen, we chose a beautiful, rich, deep green color. The reason why we did this is, there are a few imperfections and things like that in the walls, and we wanted to really create a wow effect. We wanted the room to feel more upscale, more luxurious. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and we wanted to make sure that that heart shone.
Wow, now that we have resolved this issue with the plumbing, we can keep moving forward. We had to reroute the plumbing lines, update the positioning of the drain, and replace the shutoff valve, but all of these little hiccups are completely worth it when we reveal the final product.
Now remember, in the beginning, I told you that we were gonna be doing some budget-friendly tricks to really improve this home, and to get the seller and the realtor top dollar. You're in luck, because guess what? I'm gonna show you a sneak peek right now of some of these budget-friendly ideas.
All of the updates we have done to this wonderful property are all budget-friendly, and we will see at minimum 5x on our return on investment. The first and biggest item would be that we repainted every surface in this home. We're talking walls, ceilings, trim, baseboards, and cabinets. My team and I also refinished the floors throughout the home to give a nice updated feel. We replaced the flooring in the kitchen, bathroom, and laundry area with a whimsical patterned sheet vinyl. This creates a huge impact for a fraction of the cost. We chose a faux grass cloth removable wallpaper to help add character to the laundry room. I think one of the quickest ways to refresh a space is swapping out all of the hardware on doors and cabinets. The handles and knobs we chose are extremely budget-friendly, but give a cohesive and thoughtful style. Something that is more of a big ticket item, but we did in a very budget-friendly way, is the shower and tub surround. The tiles are a simple 12 by 24 white subway tile laid in a stacked pattern. The plumbing fixtures are very high quality, but I found them on a clearance sale to get ready for this next season's finishes. The shower door is a stock door, but has the ability to be slightly customized. We added black grout for a little bit of drama and modernity that today's buyers require. The lighting in the home has been updated completely. We used great quality fixtures, but were able to purchase on flash sales and closeouts to save money. All of these items added together make this home feel completely upscale, and no one would ever know that we did it all on a budget.
These have been the tips and tricks that we like to use when we're getting a property ready for sale on a budget. And I'll give you my last trick, my last tip, if you will. Clean your windows. Everybody loves a clean window, and that's one thing that I feel like sometimes people forget about. So let's clean those windows, let's put in that elbow grease, let's use the Windex, let's do whatever we need to do, but let's make those windows shine.
Finally, the day has arrived. We have all been working tirelessly to finish this project up. And guess what? It's time to load in the staging.